Hi guys, this is VS Chandel here. Today we are the continue for UI design in Android Studio. Guys, now open your Android Studio. Then check on our project. Yeah, it is good, but this is not good. So just open your login activity and now change the height for wrap content. Also create a new layout, linear layout, match parent and wrap content. Now cut this and paste it in here. Now remove this. Because there is no need, just paste that code it here. Now remove this code. Then okay, set the orientations of linear layout is vertical. Now change the high margin top is 15 dp. Also change this margin right now 15 dp. Set margin top 15 dp. And here is also remove this and margin top 15 dp. Now open the design part. Yes, now go to the linear layout and layout below is ID login toolbar. Now margin top set the margin top and layout below. Now remove this. Okay, it's working. Now set the button. Gravity right. Yes, it's a pretty much look. Now set the right margin. Guys, this is an blogger app tutorial. If you feel that this tutorial help you in any ways, you can support us to create more content by donating here. I have put the link in description below. Now I think it's completed. Now set the margin. Top is 150 dp. And gravity bottom. And let's check it out. No, not working as I want. So bottom, this is also not working. Go to the coding part. And set up the margin top. Let's remove this code. Okay, margin top 150 dp. Okay, it is cool, guys. Now that is UI part is finished for login or a registration page. If you feel that this tutorial help you in any ways, you can support us to create more content by donating here. I have put the link in description below. So guys, thanks for watching this video. In the next tutorial we are going to implement the functionality of login or a registration page. Okay, see you guys.